In a video the other day, I asked the question if anybody knew why that I use a wooden plug to plug this spout on the oil side of my gas and oil can. Now, I don't use a plug on the gas side. I only use a plug and a wooden plug on the oil side. The reason I use a wooden plug on that oil side is, of course, to keep the oil from spilling out. And we have a winner. The first person to answer the question correctly was... So, now you know. Well, I talked about leaving and going home and doing some yard work or whatever, but I just can't stand it. It's a beautiful day. There's trees cut down. It's grafting season. I just can't stand it. I just got to put my belt on and get some wood and go out there and start sharpening sticks and poking them in these trees. I just what I do, I guess. I just can't leave it alone. Can't stay away from it.
Ya estaba afuera, mayor, no me hubiera dicho cuando me bajé el carro. ¿Te fuiste?
Well, I'm just going to drive down between a couple of these rows that we grafted about 3 years ago. And, boy, they are. They're looking really good. I'm quite proud of this work. Got just almost 100% take. If you got a real sharp eye, you may see some limbs, lower limbs that have don't have a graft, but what happened was they broke out in the wind. The take was really good. That's what you call it when you call it a good take or a bad take or percentage of take. This is about a 99% take or better, and that's why they hire me. You know, you got to do good work. So thought I'd drive through here and let you see what grafted trees look like 3 years down the road. So these are producing, I mean producing well. They've got their new variety on here, a Honeycrisp, that they're getting much better money for it than they were before. Sometimes when you're losing money on a variety, you know, you just got to do something. So in a lot of cases this is what they do. Like I said before, it's a lot less money than replanting an orchard. This is a pretty good block of trees. I just figured up over there a while ago. I decided to stay out here and work today, all day, and just wrapping up the day here. But we grafted 1,440 trees today. That's me and Victor whittling sticks and poking them in trees. So that's a good day. That's a real good day. That just shows you the difference in that technique. So much faster. That bark graft is so much faster than what we were doing before, side graft or wedge graft. Okay, here's our next block, and I'm gonna get a tree count on this so I know exactly what's out here. So I'm going to count these rows, but we'll get close to almost not quite, but almost done tomorrow. If I come out here and graft all day, which I probably will. I always think I'm going to take off and go do something else, but I just can't hardly do it. I just can't leave Victor out here. I feel guilty. I don't know why. I've paid my dues. But anyway, I just like to work, I guess. Okay, yeah, we'll get almost done tomorrow. Not quite. All right, see you.